Winston Churchill, a great man who once said we should fight them on the beaches. Now the beaches are open and anyone can come here and do whatever they want, sadly.
See new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget
Queen Anne's Gate. I wonder if that's actually the gate. Who knows? So look at that door entrance. That's all beautifully stripped back to the wood. All the others are white. This one is absolutely beautiful. This is quite a building. Nobody could accuse it of being beautiful. But it kind of looks like the headquarters of some totalitarian state. I don't know if that's a nicely refurbished place or a new but really cool looking place, like a scene from The Walking Dead.
Ze swoich wypraw do Szkocji, Edward I
some footage of the iconic tower that houses Big Ben. I'm afraid this is it. It's undergoing a massive, very expensive refurbishment at the moment, and therefore it's completely covered with scaffolding. Where all the elected scumbags hang out, fiddle their expenses, piss our money away, and agree to let in all sorts of people without bothering to check them, and plot wars against nations that we have nothing to do with. Oh yeah, I love our government. That's a crime against humanity. This is a newer building. I don't think I've seen this one before. It's pretty cool in its own way. A while ago, some religious asshole extremist decided it'd be a good idea to drive down a pavement and kill lots of people. And this is now what has to be done. Queen Boadicea, Fort Romans. There's the clock. There's the tower that houses Big Ben. I was going to go on the London Eye, but I think there's a long queue, so that idea is done. I haven't got that much time. Tan, are you watching?